Maths, okay. So generally, maths lo if we do some 10 or 15 chapters చేస్తే we can expect some 20 marks in MCET. దాని తర్వాత కెమిస్ట్రీలోకి వస్తే if you do some 20 chapters, you can expect some 10 problems or questions. Okay. So I will start with maths. సో యాజ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ డెమో సెషన్, నీకు ఏ చాప్టర్ కావాలో చెప్పు. సో నేను చెప్పేది నీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా అవ్వట్లేదా అనే బేసిస్ పైన వి విల్ డిసైడ్ ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ గా నేను చెప్పాలా వద్దా అనేది విల్ డిసైడ్. సో విచ్ చాప్టర్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, యూ టెల్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ చాప్టర్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
Circles.
ఓకే ఫైన్, వెరీ గుడ్. సర్కిల్స్. Right, be clear. నీకు ఎక్కడ ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్, యూ కెన్ మేక్ యర్ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ విల్ ప్రొసీడ్ ఫర్దర్. ఓకే. సో వైట్ బోర్డ్ కనిపిస్తుందా? సో యాక్చువల్లీ నౌ I don't have my pen with me, but still I will try to do something. Circles. The name of the chapter is circles. What actually you mean by a circle? అసలు సర్కిల్ అంటే ఏంటి? What do you mean by a circle? So generally something, this is a circle, isn't it? దీని సర్కిల్ అంటున్నాను. So why this circle, and if you go with something, why this is not a circle? ఇది ఎందుకు సర్కిల్ అయింది, ఇది ఎందుకు సర్కిల్ అవ్వదు?
Circle has infinite lines.
ఓకే, నాట్ ఇన్ఫినిట్ లైన్స్. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చెప్పుకోవాలి అంటే సర్కిల్, దిస్ ఇస్ అ రెక్టాంగిల్. దీన్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం అంటే ఫ్రమ్ ద ఏజెస్, మన స్కూల్ క్లాసెస్ నుంచి వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ లెర్న్డ్ ఇస్ a circle is having a round nature which is a locus of a point. Circle general గా ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటే this is a point, పాయింట్ ఉంటే this point is tracing in this direction, ఇలా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటే then it is called a circle. అలా తిరుగుతున్నప్పుడు the other condition here is from the center point, ఒక సెంటర్ పాయింట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఈ సెంటర్ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఎక్కడికైనా డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? ద డిస్టెన్స్ షుడ్ బి సేమ్. ఇదండి, ఏ సైడ్ కి చూసినా సెంటర్ నుంచి సర్కిల్ పైన ఉన్న ఏ పాయింట్ కి చూసినా ద డిస్టెన్స్ షుడ్ బి సేమ్. దట్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ రేడియస్. You understood what I am telling? This is the center, this is the radius, this is center C. Are you understanding or not?
Nice.
ఇది సర్కిల్, సర్కిల్ కి సెంటర్ సి. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అంటే ఫ్రమ్ ద సెంటర్ టు ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్. సెంటర్ దగ్గర నుంచి సర్కిల్ పైన ఏ పాయింట్ కైనా డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది సేమ్ ఉంటే దెన్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ సర్కిల్. రైట్? So now this end from the center to any point on the circle we call it as radius. So the two distinct points on the circle is called as, this is called as
Locus.
diameter. Yes or no? ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఈ పాయింట్ కి డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమంటాం? we call this distance as diameter.
Diameter.
The shortest distance is called as the radius. Fine. So these are the few things you need to remember. Before that, we'll also try to understand. What actually a circle is. If are you maintaining any notes? It's better to write what I'm telling. What actually a circle is? A definite definition you need to remember. Circle is the locus of the point which moves in a plane so that distance from the center to any point. So, what is the statement? Can you read it once? Am I audible or not? Please be clear with your internet connection. Yes, please maintain the internet connection properly so that there is no disturbances created. Okay.
Okay, bro. Pen. Bagla.
So from this particular point, మనం ఇప్పుడు సెంటర్ అంటే ఏంటి, సర్కిల్ అంటే ఏంటి, రేడియస్, డయామీటర్, we have seen this all. సో సర్కిల్ కి డెఫినేషన్ కావాలి అంటే సర్కిల్ ఈస్ ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ అ పాయింట్ విచ్ మూవ్స్ ఇన్ ఎ ప్లేన్ సో దట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెంటర్ దగ్గర నుంచి సర్కిల్ పైన ఉన్న ఏ పాయింట్ కైనా డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ రేడియస్. ద ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ సెంటర్. Okay. Is this clear?
Clear, bro.
Right. So we'll move on. Next, now if you have a circle again, let me draw a circle. So this is the circle, and in this particular circle I am selecting this as the center. Okay, the center is always denoted with C of H comma K, and this is the radius small r, and this is the point P of X comma Y. Circle, center, radius, and a point on the circle. So now what is my question is how to write the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle with center 0, 0. So first we'll write with center H comma K and radius R. Can you tell me what is the equation of a circle? How to write the equation of a circle? If the center
X minus
C is
H whole.
yeah. Please.
X minus H whole square plus
X
Y minus
minus
K whole
H.
square equal to R square.
Very good. X minus H whole square plus
Plus Y minus K whole
K whole square
is equals to R square.
R square. Fine. So this is the general equation which we use to write an equation of a circle. Right? So there are few other cases. If the equation of a circle with center 0, comma 0, if the center is 0, comma 0, then what's the equation of a circle? Radius is r and
R.
center is 0, comma 0. Then the equation of a circle is equation of circle is what? What it becomes? In the place of h and k, if we keep 0, what it becomes? X square.
X square plus Y square.
Very good. X square plus y square is equals to r square.
R square.
So this is the general equation if the center of the circle is 0, comma 0 and the radius is r. Okay.
Oh.
Right. So we'll move into the next one. What is the general form of a circle?
General form. Ax square plus 2hxy.
Ax square. Ax
Ax
square plus 2hxy plus by square. So that is not
plus
the
2.
perfect equation actually. The general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. General form. What is the general form of a circle ante? General form of a circle is x square plus y square plus what is that 2gx plus
2fy
2fy
plus 6.
plus c is equals to what is c here?
Center.
Right. So the center c, it is not center, c is a constant. Okay. Center is minus g comma minus f and radius is what is the radius?
G square plus F square equal to R square. Minus
Root over g square plus f square minus c. Right, this is the radius of the circle. Yes, am I clear?
Okay.
General form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. The center is minus g comma minus f. And the radius is under root g square plus f square minus c is equals to 0. So next, here we should discuss about three things. The first one is a point circle. What do you mean by a point circle? What actually you mean by a point circle? It means radius of the circle is 0. If the radius of the circle is 0, then the circle is called as a point circle. Okay. And if the radius of the circle is 1, then the circle is called as unit circle. Unit circle, radius of the circle is 1. Okay. And next point, if the circles have the same center, then If the two circles having the same center, then the circles are called as
Concentric
concentric
circles.
circles. So we generally see what is a concentric circle. So if this is a circle, put it. Right. In this particular figure, we are seeing that this is the center. Okay. This red color spot is the center. Now this is the radius of the first circle denoted with small r, and this is the radius of the big circle denoted with capital R. So here both the circles are having the same center but the different radius, isn't it? So these types of circles are called as concentric circles. Concentric circles. Okay. And the equations of the concentric circles. This every point which you are writing are being used in your Eamcet. While solving the problems, we will be using these formulas. Okay. So be clear. Try to make a note of each and every formula which we are using here. Give me a 1 minute, I will come back. Nine 9390 47 8920 20. పక్కా వస్తా ఉన్నా. Also, these two circles are called as concentric circles. Okay, na? If A and B are two distinct points on a circle, then we'll just understand by drawing figures first. This is it. We'll see. So here, if a line which is cutting a circle at two distinct points A and B, this is A and this is B. The line AB is cutting the circle at some two distinct points, and this is the center C. If the circle is cutted at the 2 points A and B with the center C, then the line is called as secant line. Okay. And this one is called as, this portion is called as chord. The first is the line AB through A and B is called as secant line. So in the first case, the line AB, which is cutting the circle at two distinct points A and B, is called as a secant line. In the second case, it is called the line segment, isn't it? The line segment AB, the line segment AB is called a chord of a circle. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కేస్ లో మనకి వాట్ ఈస్ అ లైన్? లైన్ అంటే ఏంటి? విచ్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ two ends can be extended. This is called a line, isn't it? Are you with me? Are you listening?
Yes.
లైన్ అంటే రెండు సైడ్లు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయొచ్చు, దాన్ని లైన్ అంట. A line which have two end points. If రెండు side end points ఉంటే then it is called as a line segment. And if one end is fixed and the other end is flowing, then it is called a ray. Isn't it? So this is how we understand a secant line, a chord. Secant line అంటే ఏంటి? రెండు పాయింట్స్ ఉంటే సర్కిల్ పైన, ఆ రెండు పాయింట్స్ ని సర్కిల్ అనేది కట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a secant line. Circle లో if two distinct points, a line segment is there, then it is called a chord. And here you need to write one note. The chord the chord which has the maximum length is called as the diameter. Sometimes in your examinations they might give you the circle having the maximum length, then the line is called as, or కొన్నిసార్లు last time in 2019 in your Eamcet examination they have given a question that is a chord which is having a line segment AB is having a maximum length as a ఇలానే ఇచ్చిండమ్మ క్వశ్చన్. I will write here, you see once. వస్తాను పక్క. ఓకే సరే అని వస్తాం పక్క. హలో బ్రో, చెప్పు బ్రో. ఎవరిని అంత లేదు. So right, is this clear? So the number of line segment which is dividing the line segment which is dividing the circle into number of equal parts is called as a chord. So in last time 2019 the question given is the line segment which is having the maximum length in a circle. So here the options were given as chord, diameter, radius, or the other. Which one is correct?
Diameter.
So every single point which we are writing in this class were related to your MSET. So please be clear and precise and try to understand everything. Okay. Right. I hope you are understanding. Are you following?
Yes, bro.
Right. So fine. Okay then. And there are few more conditions. The diameter should always should always pass through the center, isn't it? The diameter always should pass through the center. And a diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called So can you tell me how can we satisfy this last point? The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Will you agree? First, first name చూద్దాం. అయిపోయింది రాయడం అయిపోయిందా?
Complete.
ఓకే. సో ఇది సెంటర్ అండ్ మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం సెంటర్ నుంచి పాస్ అయ్యే లైన్ ని డయామీటర్ అంటాం అనుకున్నాం, isn't it? So this is our diameter. సో ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏం చెప్పాలి మనం? We have told that this one, the first half, this is called as a semicircle and this B part is also called as a semicircle అనుకున్నాం, isn't it? సో ఇదంతా సెమీసర్కిల్, ఒక సెమీసర్కిల్, పైనంతా ఇంకొక సెమీసర్కిల్. సో సర్కిల్ అనేది డయామీటర్ రెండు ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది సర్కిల్ ని. ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ ని సెమీ సర్కిల్ అనుకుంటామని అనుకున్నాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏమనుకున్నాం, ద యాంగిల్ ఇన్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ ఇస్ 90 degrees అని అనుకున్నాం. సో ఇది సెమీ సర్కిల్ అయితే, ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెమీ సర్కిల్, then is this angle 90 degrees? ఈ యాంగిల్ 90 degrees ఉంటుందా? జనరల్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్వాడ్రంట్ సిస్టమ్, దిస్ ఇస్ 90 degrees, దిస్ ఇస్ అదర్ 90 degrees. So the angle should be what? 180 degrees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, bro.
సో సెమీ సర్కిల్ లో జనరల్ యాంగిల్ 180 degrees ఉండాలి, కానీ నేను ఏమని చెప్తున్నాను, ద యాంగిల్ ఇన్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ ఇస్ 90 degrees అనుకుంటున్నాను. How is this statement possible? సో ఇది సర్కిల్, ఒకవేళ ఇది సర్కిల్ అయితే సర్కిల్లో ఆల్వేస్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ టేకింగ్ diameter and when you are setting the angle in the semicircle, this is not the proper way. ఇలా యాంగిల్ చూడడం కరెక్ట్ కాదు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ వే. యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ చూడాలి అంటే యూ షుడ్ డ్రాప్ ఏ perpendicular bisector and this will be your angle, that is 90 degrees. Okay, this is the place where you need to check the angle of a semicircle. That angle is 90 degrees, so that is why we call that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees anukunta. Okay,
Okay.
is this clear till now? Next, one more concept here. So this is a circle. For this circle, I'm having 2 points A, B, and the other point here is C. This point is C. The point A has x1, point B has x2, y2, point C has x3, and this is the center C. The angle here is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is all the concept which we have learned till now. Instead of C here, we will do one thing. Let us not take C. We take P of x comma.
X comma.
So if this is a circle which is having 2 extreme points and 1 point on the circle and the center C and the angle 90 degrees, then the equation of the circle, how to write the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle whose extremities of a diameter are A of x1 comma and B of x2 comma A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 డయామీటర్స్ యొక్క ఎక్స్ట్రిమిటీస్ అయితే, అంటే ఏ బి అనేది ఏంది డయామీటర్స్ యొక్క ఎండ్. ఆ డయామీటర్ ఒక ఏ బి అయితే ఆ డయామీటర్ యొక్క ఎండ్స్ x1 కామా y1 x2 కామా y2 ఉంటే దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సో దెన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఇస్ గివెన్ బై, this is an important formula again, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2, that is equals to 0. So this is the equation of a circle whose extremities of a diameter are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. ఒకవేళ సర్కిల్ కి రెండు ఎక్స్ట్రిమిటీస్ ఇచ్చి దాని ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోమంటే ద ఫార్ములా ఇస్ x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. Right. So next one you need to understand here about Okay. A, B, origin O. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. On the x-axis and y-axis, the circle is cutting AB on the x-axis. And x-axis పైన circle అనేది కట్ అవుతుంది, isn't it? So ఇలా కట్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు we get a concept of intercept. ఓకేనా? ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ అంటే ఏంటంటే, వాట్ యు మీన్ బై an intercept is, ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ అంటే ఇది ఒక సర్కిల్. ఈ సర్కిల్ ఇలా కట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇది x axis అయితే the intercept will be this one. This particular point which is under the circle is called as intercept. And ఒకవేళ y axis లో కట్ అయితే, అంటే the circle is cutting here, then this is the y intercept. So we'll try to understand what is x intercept and what is y intercept in this concept. First one, the length of the intercept is important here. We are going to find the length. The length of the intercept on x-axis made by the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Is AB is equals to AB is equals to under root 2 under root g square minus c. This is a formula. Okay. And in the second case, the length of the intercept on the y-axis by the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. And it is cutted at c and e. Then the formula is 2 under root f square minus c. So in the y-axis, how it will cut? This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. The circle which we are choosing will be here in this one. So ikkada manaki circle untundi. It will have the extremities C and D. So this is the formula to find out the intercept on y-axis, and this is the formula to find out the intercept on the x-axis. Okay. For x-axis, this is a formula. For y-axis, this is a formula. Are you following till here? Is this clear?
Clear.
Fine. Next, we'll discuss few more concepts and we'll do some problems and we'll end the class. Okay. Do you have Google Classroom? Google Classroom, Dalchama. Do you have an idea of Google Classroom?
Don't know.
Okay. Okay, then not an issue. So this is a Google Classroom. You just take a screenshot of this code. Take a screenshot of this code now. Right. So show you one. Right. So till here what we have discussed, it's clear, I think so. So there are no more issues as I am thinking. If any problem you have, please tell me. I will definitely try to clarify. So till intercept you understood? If the line is cutting the circle on the x-axis, then it is called as x-intercept and it can be found out using the formula 2 under root g square minus c. If the intercept is cutting on the y-axis, then the equation to find out the y-axis is called as 2 under root h square minus c. And the other possible case is, if this is x-axis and this is y-axis, the case you have here is the circle is touching both the axes. Okay. ఈ కేసులో ఏమవుతుంది, సర్కిల్ అనేది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ని టచ్ అవుతుంది, సర్కిల్ అనేది వై యాక్సిస్ ని కూడా టచ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టిక్యులర్ కేస్ there might be an option to find out the x-axis as well as the y-axis. ఇంతకు ముందు సర్కిల్ x-axis పైన టచ్ అయితే ఓన్లీ x-axis కి ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కున్నాం, y-axis పైన టచ్ అయితే y-axis కి ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కున్నాం. But here the circle is touching both the x-axis as well as both the y-axis. Then the equation to find out, we first write the circle. The circle S is equals to equals to 0. Touches. If it touches the x-axis, then the equation is g square is equals to c. If it touches y-axis, then the equation is f square is equals to c. And if it touches both the axes, then g square is equals to f square is equals to c. So దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ అర్థమైంది కదా. In this case which we have seen is the circle is cutting. Circle అనేది it is cutted into two parts. ఇక్కడ circle is only touching. 3 cases. This is the third case and this is the first case. This is the first case and this is the second case. Second case. Okay. So this is when the circle is touching 2 points on the circle. Okay, axis paina, x-axis, y-axis paina, circle is touching the x-axis, circle is touching the y-axis, and circle is touching both the axes. Okay. And next we have the parametric equations. As I am deleting some concepts which are not required for you as per Eamcet is concerned, so don't bother about those things. Parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square is equals to r square, r given by x is equals to r cos theta. X is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta, where theta is the parameter. The parametric equation, so we can write the parametric point on the circle is P of theta is equals to r cos theta r sin theta. So this is the parametric equation, and the condition here for the parametric equation is it should be the value of 0 should be less than or equals to theta. మహేష్ బయటికే మాట్లాడవా 0 less than or equals to 2 pi. So this is a parametric equation of a circle. Parametric equation అంటే ఏంటంటే here parameters we are for giving some parameters to the circle. ఇప్పటివరకు circle కి మనం ఎలాంటి parameters ఇవ్వలేదు. ఇక్కడ we are giving some parameters. The parameters which we are giving are cos theta and sin theta. Circle కి cos theta sin theta అనే parameters ఇచ్చినప్పుడు how to find the parametric point. వాళ్ళు మనకి పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోమనొచ్చు, ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చి పాయింట్ కనుక్కోమనొచ్చు. So here to write the equation we need x and y. So to find the x, you will have the parametric equation as r cos theta and r sin theta. And we have two circles. This is the first case. You write it as case 1 at the top if you have some place. Case 1. Just like this. Next one, case 2, parametric equation of the circle. Which type of circle we have now here? The other form of circle we have is, what is the other circle we have? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, are given by r is equals to, sorry, x is equals to h plus r cos theta and y is equals to k plus r sin theta, and the parametric equation is p of theta is equals to h plus r cos theta comma k plus r sin theta. And we have one more case, that is case 3. In case 3, parametric equations for the circle s is equals to 0. What is the equation of the circle s is equals to 0? S is equals to 0 and the circle equation ఏంటండి? Yes, are you with me?
X square.
Are you with me? Hello.
X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0.
So from now, wherever we are writing the circle s is equals to 0, it means that the circle is s is equals to 0 అంటే ఏంటి? x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Okay na? So in the case 3, the parametric equations for the circle S is equals to 0. S is equals to 0 on a circle ki parametric equations రాయమంటే x is, what does that S becomes? Sorry for the inconvenience. 1 minute. Don't know the reason why I'm doing this. So case 3, parametric equations for the circle S is equals to 0 are given by x is equals to minus g plus r cos theta and y is equals to minus f plus r sin theta. And in all the cases, r can be found out by how to find the r value? In all the other cases, r value ఎలా కనుక్కుంటామమ్మా? How to find the r value in all the cases? Hello. In all the cases, R value can be found out using the formula what? By using which formula we find out the R value? R అంటే ఏంటి?
Radius.
Radius. So the radius can be found out using the formula? Using which formula?
Under root g square plus x square minus 3.
Right. So using that formula, we can find out the R value in all the cases. In all the cases, R value can be found out using the formula R is equals to under root g square plus f square minus 3.
Minus.
This is for all the 3 cases. And here also you keep equals to symbol, less than or equals to. Less than or equals to. And అయిపోయిందా ఇది? Can I go to the next slide? Should I wait or should I go? So once if you are done, let me know. We'll go to the next slide. Is it completed?
Completed.
Okay. Let me go to the next slide. So here, now, should I introduce one other topic or shall we stop here and shall we do some Eamcet problems? ఇంకా కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ చెప్పాలా లేకపోతే should I stop here and shall we start Eamcet problems? Am I audible?
Eamcet problems.
Eamcet problems, okay. So we'll solve some level 1 problems. So first question, if possible, you write the question, or I will write the question on the screen. You just try to write the answer. That's enough. Okay. The first question. You should solve the question answers very fast. The equation of the circle, the equation of a circle with radius 3 and center as the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equals to 5, comma 2x minus y is equals to 1 is. So he is asking to find out the equation of a circle equation కనుక్కోమని అడుగుతున్నాడు. I don't think so. Okay, like that. The option given are x square. You try to solve the answer. In the meantime, I'll write the options. X square plus y square is equals to 9. The other option is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. You solve the question and tell me which option is correct. X square plus y square plus 9 is equals to 0. So in this, which option is correct? So before you understand the question, what the question given is, the equation of a circle with radius, what are all the things given, you write them first. Solution.
X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7.
You have solved it.
Nice.
So what is the concept you have used here is, the radius 3 is given, center we don't know, so we wrote it as h comma k, right? So but what he told is, center కనుక్కోవడానికి we have two lines, right? ఈ టూ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ టూ లైన్స్ యొక్క ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ని సెంటర్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఏంటి, 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Second line is 2x minus y is equals to 1. So in that case, what we have did is, you are doing solving the equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 అనుకొని ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే you will get one point, that is h comma k. So once you got h k and r, using the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Substituting the values of h and k, you will get the equation of the circle. What are the values of h and k you got?
1 comma 1.
1 comma 1. Good. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equals to, r value is 3. 3 square is 9. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. So the which option is correct? Option number 2 is correct.
1.
2 or 1? 2. Option number 2. You said x square plus y square minus 2x
minus 2x minus 2y minus.
is equals to 0. Right in the next question. So I think there is no need of giving you the options. You can directly solve, right? So I'm not giving you the options. It's waste of time. The equation of the circle. The equation of the circle which passes through the points 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 and has its radius as, so I should see how you people will solve this question. So here you should use which formula? ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలో you should understand by seeing the